Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Taboli Goes Modelworks, and we've got an inbox review for you here. It's from an oldie but goldie, but Tamiya's 1/35th scale military miniature series number 35, 3.7 centimeter anti-tank gun PAK 35/36. So obviously we get the gun and the four figures. On this side of the box has a copyright date of 1974. A few of the other kits we got. Yep, I've got that one. These two I haven't got, and that one I haven't got. So yeah, on that side. The other side has the ranks all in Japanese, sorry. And also has this one conveniently covered up because it says Totenkopf. Oops. Yeah. Moving swiftly on. Got the back of the box has the one option you can do with this. You can fit it in an Eskit DKFZ 222. A rocket launcher, and how to paint the figures up. German. Just by the looks of it, feel grey, black boots, job done. So without further ado, let's open the box. And the kit number, sorry, and the kit number is 35035. And there we go, we have some more helpful colour bits on there. So let's pull out the sprues. We've got two sprues. Double check there's no decals in there, or decals, or whatever you want to call it. So Japanese thing, and the UK or American market instructions. Again, these will be a fairly bit of convoluted history. It explains what each of the figures does. So this one says gunner, commander, supplier and loader. Painting the tank on that side, position of figures. Basically German. Stick bomb, I do beg your pardon, that is. On the African front it is painted into dark yellow. So yes, and this side's got the assembly. Construction of the loading section. Breech is movable. Fixing the loading section. Fixing the gun shield. Construction of the trailing legs there. 5. Completion of the gun. How to use accessory parts. Obviously this is for mounting the gun on the SDKFZ. Construction of accessory parts. Job done. And again we have a little sprue map there that helps you locate parts. So without further ado, we shall open her up. And we've got all of 2 sprues. So look at sprue X, which is the PAK 35/38. Nice set of wheels there. Nice gun shield. Again, there's some ejector pins there. I very much doubt you'll see them. All the bits are crisp and concise in there. Be ideal for a little diorama, this one. The cartridges with the shells on, so they were effectively used on little pieces of soft military soft skin stuff, things like that. All the little greeblies on there. And then this one, again, is the U sprue. So this has the figures on. Yeah, you'll have to clean up some seam lines, but again, they do look quite good when they're done. So obviously this is the guns and the water flasks and all the bits and pieces. And you've even got a spare helmet. That's nice. This guy looks like he's holding a carrot. It might be a shell. Yeah. So 2 parts for the sitting figures and 2 parts for the prone figure. Then again, this is a 52-year-old kit. Technically 53-year-old kit, so don't look too bad. Because all the flash I could only spot on this little sprue. So that's a quick inbox review of Tamiya's 1/35 scale anti-tank gun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.